Next topic in lesson number 4, environment management, is what can you do to save the environment? The title of the topic is My Role in Environment. Now, at individual level or at group level or organization level, we can do these things. So, I have listed down 6 main points under which we are supposed to do some activities which will help to save the environment. These 6 topics are control, prevention, production, preservation, conservation, and awareness. Now we will see each one what exactly we can do under these topics to save the environment. The first one is control. Controlling Control means we do this step before some harm has taken place. Before something wrong happens to the environment, we can take these steps. So we can prevent, we can control some harm. Like if you know some particular place nearby your location which has lots of plantations, lots of trees, you can take care of that place. You can take care of those plants and trees and make sure nobody does any harm to that place, or some water body, some pond or lake. You can prevent people from throwing waste in that water body. So this is what comes under control. You can prevent the harm, stop the harm, stop harmful activities. Very important point that we can apply here in control is changing the mindset of people. People should know and understand that what is good and what is bad for the environment. Next topic that comes under our duty for environment conservation is conservation. The word conservation, now you all are quite familiar with it. Conserve means to preserve something. So here we are more concerned about environment. That means we are going to conserve the natural resources. You all know what are natural resources. Everything that we get from nature, plants, trees, water, mineral oil, charcoal, these should be saved, should be conserved. Next topic is production. Now, production means to make something new. So, for environment conservation, what can be made new? Revive, there's a point I have written, a sub point, revival of harmed factors. Revival means to start something again. So anything which is harmed can be made, or we can try to make it come in normal condition. For example, if some water body has become dirty because of human activities, then we can clear that water body at our level, and we can even stop people, ask them not to do it. If some place of forestation has been done, deforestation has been done, then we can, at our own individual level, with the help of our family and friends, we can plant trees over there again. In production, there's one more step called as attempting innovation. Innovation means to think about some positive and new methods, like rainwater harvesting. Instead of wasting that rainwater, we can save it, store it, and use it. Next, what activities we can do is preservation. So, preserve means to save whatever is present. At present, whatever natural resources we have, we should try to save them, and we can save them or preserve them only when we use them with proper management. If we try to use them less and less, preserve what is left over. Then remedies to preserve the loss. Remedies to preserve the loss means, for example, if some rare species of plants and animals which have become very less in number, so we can try out some methods to increase their number to keep them safe. This can be done at individual level and at great organization level like national level and international level. Next in preservation is, you have to preserve the regions. Regions means places. Some places which I gave you this example before also. Some places which have rich vegetation, green plants and trees, such places you can conserve. Or for this best example of preserving regions is something called as sacred groves. You have seen in the previous video. So preserving regions, now this is all done by people, okay, with their own wish. Next, last one is prevention. What can you prevent harms that can happen? And this can be done by creating awareness among people. New plants can be taken out, like you can this can be done with the help of government. If government tries out some plans or rules that can, giving some punishment to people if they harm the environment, such things can come under this.